What food should we eat to increase our sperm count? What are the home remedies? And what is the importance of our lower eggs in our body? And why does the body lack sperm? And how is semen formed? Just wait a little to know the answers to all these questions. You will learn a lot in 5 minutes. The teenage period is such a time period when a lot of changes start happening in our body. And the biggest change in this is the production of our sperm. According to many studies, the male body starts making semen at the age of 12 to 16. The main organ in our body that makes semen is called testicles, which means our lower eggs. But let me tell you, sperm is formed after the formation of sperm, which means first sperm will be formed, then semen will be formed. For male sperm production, eggs are the main organ. If those eggs are somehow removed from the male body, then that man will not be attracted to any woman. For example, look at bull and bull. What is the difference between bull and bull? This is the difference of the lower eggs. Sometimes bull gets infected with some disease, and that's why bull's eggs are removed, so that the future generations that come from their disease do not get spoiled. Sometimes bull is used only as a bull. That's why bull's eggs are destroyed, which is called malnutrition. Testicles release a very important chemical in our male body, which is called testosterone. Testosterone is a very important hormone for men. It affects the strength of our bones, muscle mass, and everything from strength to our nightlife. Testosterone is the hormone that causes a strong smell in our testicles. Now, I am going to tell you a very important thing. Normally, when children come in their teenage period, that is between 12 to 13 years, then their body starts producing testosterone. So, let's know how our lower eggs make testicles, and how sperm is formed from testicles. According to scientists, 800 grams of blood is produced from 32 kilograms of food. And from that 800 grams of blood, our body produces about 20 grams of sperm. But this process is very slow. Whatever we eat, it goes into our testicles first. And our body makes this food into a juice with the help of testicles. It takes our body 5 days to digest this juice and make blood. Then it takes another 5 days to make meat from blood. Similarly, in 5 days, meat turns into flour. Flour turns into bone. Bone turns into sperm. And now it's the turn of sperm. The process of making sperm from sperm is divided into 2 parts. First of all, our body makes testicles in our eggs, and then these testicles go ahead and become sperm. So let's talk about the first stage. The process of making sperm starts with our eggs. Our eggs are made from small nerves like pipes. These pipes are called loops. These loops have cells called spermatogonia, which go ahead and convert into sperm. But still, to make sperm, some other elements are required. For this, sperm goes through these loops and reaches the epidermis, and they rest there. In between, sperm learns to move. Now, until a man does no activity at night, these sperm rest there. And when a man does an activity at night, these sperm first reach the seminal vesicles, where the seminal fluid, a chemical, mixes with the sperm. And then the sperm goes to the prostate gland, where the prostate fluid mixes with the sperm. And finally, these sperm enter the female body through the lower part of the womb. To make 20 grams of sperm, our body takes 30 days to 4 hours. But the biggest regret is that to make 20 grams of sperm, our body takes a month. And by making 15 grams or more of sperm, we destroy it all at once. Why does the body lack sperm? What are the home remedies to increase sperm? First, let's try to understand what effect does a person have on the lack of sperm? The simple answer to this is that such men are unable to progress their generation. Meaning, such men are unable to give birth to children. This is also called the childhood of men. Such people have to face social and family shame. When a person's sperm has less than 150 million milliliters of sperm per milliliter, then in medical terms, it is said that a person's sperm count is low. There can be many reasons for a person's lack of sperm. Stay away from stress. Try to be happy, exercise regularly, sleep well, and take vitamin D-rich food. Apart from all this, you can add some things to your diet which can solve this problem, like spinach, eggs, figs, walnuts, bananas, ashwagandha, pomegranate, fenugreek. These are the nutrients that can increase the number of sperm, and people often think that sperm and our sperm come out of the same way. So is it possible that